In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text background color in Figma. This is a quick, reliable way to create a clean highlight or tag style label behind any text, and it works beautifully across different sizes and layouts. Start by selecting the text layer you want to style. You can click directly on the text on the canvas or pick it from the Layers panel. Make sure you are selecting the text object itself, not a group or an existing frame, so the changes apply exactly where you need them. Next, press Shift+A to add auto layout. The moment you do this, Figma wraps your text in a new frame that automatically hugs the text. Think of this frame as the container that will hold your background color. Using auto layout is essential here because it expands and shrinks with your text, keeping the background perfectly fitted as your copy changes. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand panel. Find the Fill section and click the plus icon to add a color. This fill applies to the frame you just created, not the text characters themselves, which is what gives you that solid block of color behind your words. Choose a color that fits your design and, if needed, adjust the opacity to create a softer, more subtle effect. If you don't immediately see the color appear, double-check that the frame, not the text layer inside it, is selected. Now, let's make it look polished. In the auto layout settings on the right, adjust the padding. Padding controls the space inside the frame around your text. Increase it to give your text breathing room or reduce it for a tighter label. You can link the padding to keep all sides equal, or unlink it if you want different values for top, bottom, left, and right. Small tweaks here make a big difference in readability and balance. To finish the style, set the corner radius. You'll find this control in the same panel. A small radius gives you a subtle rounded rectangle, while higher values create a pill-shaped background that's great for tags or badges. If needed, you can adjust individual corners for a custom look that matches your brand. That's it. Thanks for watching.